Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You must be the meeting organizer to remove someone. If you are presenter, promote yourself or ask the organizer. Once in the meeting, open the participants panel, click the people icon, or use Ctrl+Shift+O to save time. Scan the list or type the attendee name in the search box. Make sure you confirm the correct user. Removing the wrong person will disrupt the meeting. Now that the target is visible, get ready to open their context menu for action. Find the three-dot menu beside the attendee and click it. This exposes the removal command. Choose Remove Attendee and accept the confirmation prompt. This immediately ejects them from the meeting. Once done, review meeting options. If guests return, adjust the who can bypass the lobby setting or restrict attendees from unmuting. Make sure to explain policy verbally or via chat so participants understand why they were removed. This reduces confusion and prevents repeat interruptions. After removal, confirm the person is no longer listed and cannot rejoin. Check the roster and, if necessary, test with another account. If the remove command failed, promote a co-organizer or have the organizer perform the action, or end and restart the meeting to reset session tokens. If people keep returning, change meeting options to force lobby admission or restrict who can present. One troubleshooting tip: clear the team's cache or sign out and back in if UI options do not appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.